bunnies, welcome back. So today we are making some training treats for dogs, and this recipe is actually featured in my new cookbook. It is a dog treat cookbook, and if you pre-order it before March 16th, you'll get a ton of freebies. So I'll have the link to the book in the description box down below. So let's get started. So first we're going to place some eggs, banana, and peanut butter in a bowl and beat with an electric mixer until combined. And so when using peanut butter for dogs, you want to make sure that the ingredients list is just peanuts. Some peanut butters contain artificial sweetener, which is toxic to dogs, so you always want to check the label of the peanut butter that you're using. Then place some quick oats into a food processor and pulse until they resemble flour. Then add the oats to the wet mixture and mix well. Pour the mixture onto a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper and use a spatula to smooth the dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick. You can also use your hands. Then use a sharp knife to score lines over the entire sheet of dough. And this is a much easier way to make tiny little bits of treats than like cutting them out individually with like a really tiny cookie cutter. I will not put any of you through that amount of fiddly work. It is totally unnecessary. Then bake the dough at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until it begins to brown. Allow the cookie to cool completely while still on the baking sheet. Then once it's cool, just bend the cookie to break it along the scored lines, and then break the long cookies into short little cookies. So again, this way is way easier than cutting it into little tiny squares. Like, your dog will inhale these, so it's not worth the effort. And training treats are treats that are small enough to be eaten on the spot. If you give your dog a big treat, they might want to take it somewhere else to eat it, but that kind of interferes with the whole training method because you want them to be able to eat it right away. So make sure that the treat is small enough that your dog will be happy to eat it on the spot. It totally depends on the size of your dogs. Honestly, the ones I made here I think were a little bit big for my dogs, so I broke them in half when I was giving them to them. And you are done! So I thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Again, the link to the cookbook to get all the pre-order goodies is down below. I actually made a new website for it where everything is in one place. You can get all the links to like all the stores that carry it, as well as see what all the freebies are and how to get the freebies. So everything is there for you. So definitely check it out. I'm very proud of myself. And I'll see you guys actually on Saturday for a new video. The upload dates are a little bit off right now, so bear with me, but you're getting another video in 2 days, so don't worry. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and yes, I will see you on Saturday. Bye!